How is it going, guys? Happy New Year's. Of course, we've got to start off the year with a new products video. Before we get into things, I wanted to let you guys know that we did make a small change to the homepage. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see a couple different modules with different deals, product spotlights, and sales and such, and that stuff is gonna change throughout the year. So check back periodically, and maybe you'll see something that catches your eye. We're gonna start off with the OLM carbon fiber rain channel covers, which is basically the two trim pieces you see on the sides of your roof. They install super easy with pre-applied double-sided tape, so you just need to peel the backing off and stick these in place. They are made out of real carbon fiber, and we're actually gonna be giving away the set that is on the car. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then comment down below with a recent order number, and I'll randomly select one of those comments and announce the winner in next month's video. If you guys are in the market for an entry-level coilover system that's not gonna break the bank, Tayne just released their Street Advance Z coilovers. They pretty much come with everything you need. So if you got the height adjustability, 16-way adjustable damping, and spring rates of 280 pounds per inch in the front and 336 pounds per inch in the rear. They do not come with top hats, as you see here, so you're gonna reuse your OEM top hats, but you can have all this for just under 730 bucks. If you guys are looking to upgrade the interior of your car with some new seats, we just got in the new Braum Elite S-Series sports seats, available in two different color options. You've got the gray stitching with gray plaid or red stitching with red plaid. So if you're looking for a nice statement piece inside of your car, this will be a nice upgrade for you. Just make sure you pair them up with the necessary mounting hardware like Buddy Club mounting rails. Another product we've got for the BRZ is the STI inner door protectors. These are an OEM product, so the fit and finish is going to be spot on. You just peel the backing off and these stick on to your door panels to prevent any scuffs from you or your passengers getting in and out of the car. I'm gonna mock these up on our BRZ to show you exactly where they go and how they look. Continuing on with the door protection theme we have going, over on the Supra side, we have the OLM kick panel protectors. Same concept, applies using pre-applied double-sided tape on the back, so you just peel it off and apply it to the door card. There's two sections, the bottom section here and the top section. It also comes with silver stitching to match the OEM silver stitching. This is gonna help protect against these scuffs of getting in and out of the car. If you guys happen to have a carbon fiber theme going on with your Supra, we've got the Rexpeed dry carbon fiber A-pillar covers. As the name suggests, it covers up this gloss black A-pillar section here and gives you that nice visual aspect. Moving to the back of the car, we've got two new products that are installed on the car right now. The first one being the A91 style rear Decklid stripes. These are available in the matte black that is shown right here, or a 3D carbon fiber. And then if we move to the rear windshield, we've got the OLM V1 style rear Decklid spoiler. That's available in a gloss black or matte black, and that installs super easy with some double-sided tape on the back windshield and gives the back of the car a nice aggressive look to it. If you guys are looking to improve the performance aspect of your Supra, we've got the Varus Engineering UCW rear wing made out of carbon fiber and is able to withstand over 500 pounds of downforce. It's gonna drastically increase the amount of downforce you're able to create, giving you more grip in those corners. Varus Engineering is known for their aerodynamics, so things like splitters, rear diffusers, and this UCW wing is no different. If you're looking to improve those lap times and improve the performance of your car out on the track, highly recommend you look into their new UCW wing. Another performance product we've got for the Supra is the AMS Performance 3-inch charge pipe. That's going to be a direct replacement for the OEM plastic pipe. So this is going to give you drastically better airflow to the engine, which means you're capable of making more horsepower. It also has dual NPT ports built in just in case you want to run methanol or nitrous. AMS, if you aren't familiar with them, is one of the first shops that was able to take their Supra into the nines on the drag strip. So if you're looking to improve lap times or just make your car faster in general, this is a must-have. And that pretty much wraps it up, guys. If you are interested in any of the products that I went through, the links are down in the description. If you guys have any questions or recommendations, let me know in the comment section down below. Again, I want to wish you guys Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys next time.